Hello everyone. Today, teacher Andy from 591 Lab will lead everyone to unbox our Huawei certification gift package. So, when you have passed the HCIE Lab exam, you can apply on Huawei's official website. Then, Huawei will send you a gift package like this. Now let's open it up and see what it contains. Let's see what's included inside. A piece of HCIE certificate. This is a congratulatory letter. This is a certificate frame. And a crystal crest. Hitch is quite heavy. Then, there's also a very beautiful keychain. Okay? So, that's all the contents of our HCIE gift package. I sincerely wish everyone to pass your HCIE certification on your first attempt. Goodbye.